Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here again with the Power Lead system and how you can promote any business with this system. This is the system that I use each and every day to promote my business, and my business is O2 worldwide. But I don't know what your business may be. I don't know what you are promoting online, but you're going to need a way to present it to the public. And through the Power Lead system, you have all types of capture pages. And capture pages are you already have the template that's created for you, but you can design your own template once you become a member of the Power Lead system. And how you become a member of the Power Lead system, you can just join Lead Lightning for a one-time $7 fee. And after you join, then you have the power to promote whatever business that you want to promote. And you have two links once you join the Power Lead system through Lead Lightning. And with those two links, you're going to promote Lead Lightning by itself. Lead Lightning is a capture page and an autoresponder that goes out on your behalf. It'll send messages out to your leads. And we all know if you have a business opportunity that you are promoting, you're going to have to generate traffic to that capture page to bring them to your business opportunity. Now right here, referral link A, after you join for $7, one-time fee in Lead Lightning, the beginning of the Power Lead system, you have two links. Referral link A, you promoting Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is $7, once again, one-time fee, and you promote it to your audience, and you promote to the leads that you have gathered or generated through the system. Because once they click on your link, it's gonna bring them to this page right here, where they will put in their email address. And once they put in their email address, it will take them to a sales page. And that sales page will tell them all about the Lead Lightning program. Plus it will promote the Power Lead system as well. And it will show them a video on how to earn a commission, their first commission in 15 minutes. And it give them time, hey, hurry up, time is running out. And then if a person get ready to just log out, it say wait, start generating leads and sell primary business rights. All right, we're gonna go back over here. Referral link B is to promote your business opportunity, but it promotes Lead Lightning first, which is $7 one-time fee. I express that because it's a cheap way to promote your business, and it's awesome because you have an autoresponder that respond to your lead wanting information of what you're doing. You put your primary business right here and you click update, and then once you promote this link to your audience, then they will see your capture page again, and they will put in their email address, and then it would bring them to your primary business. It would promote Lead Lightning and your primary business, whatever that might be. Click on the link below. Get more information. Once you start using Lead Lightning, then you will upgrade to the Power Lead system. And here is where you can build your own web pages. You can design your own capture pages, and you have unlimited rights to subdomains, and those subdomains represent you and what you are selling. These are the web pages that you'll see once you upgrade. You can use any of these and revise them to what you want them to say. And I just love this system because this is a good way to promote your business opportunity. My name is Marlon Carter. Click on the link below and let's get you started and doing what I do with Lead Lightning and the Power Lead system. You all have a good day or night. Click on the link below. Give me a call. Shoot me an email if you get confused about anything. I'm at your disposal. Bye-bye.